Welcome back. We begin with a primetime news follow-up. The police are still on the hunt for the men who robbed the Ready Cash outlet in Junction St. Elizabeth yesterday. 2 men were initially held and they were mistakenly detained by the police in the confusion and were not involved in the robbery. They are not suspects and were released. And it's time now for the responses to our feedback question from our friends on social media. Our question this evening: were you satisfied with the procedures put in place for the election day? Our first response is from Anthony, who says, yes, it was kind of slow, but I was satisfied because they were just following the necessary precautions. Another one from Nisike. She says, yes, all protocols were respectfully obeyed. Our question again: were you satisfied with the procedures put in place for election day? Keep your comments coming. Facebook.com/TelevisionJamaica and tweet us at TelevisionJam. We go now to the business day. Stock trading ended with the JSE index up more than 1,851 points, while the junior market index lost 3. The top performers of the day were Siboney Group, ISP Finance, Main Event Entertainment, First Rock Capital, and Jamaican Teas. Now on the losing end were Dolphin Cove, Elite Diagnostics, Trans-Jamaican Highway, Jamaica Producers, and The Lab. Meanwhile, the JSE Group says its offices are currently closed to facilitate deep cleaning and sanitizing after a member of staff contracted COVID-19. It says the offices will reopen on Monday, but stressed that it has implemented remote working and is asking the public to reduce access to the premises and do transactions online where possible. Now, oil prices fell today. At the end of trading today, oil was being sold for $41.28 a barrel. That's down 23 cents. And on the currency market, trading was limited today. With that, the BOJ has decided to maintain the rates from yesterday into tomorrow. As a reminder, it means at the opening of trading tomorrow, the US dollar will be sold for $147.81. The Canadian dollar will cost $131.06. And we now join our colleagues in Studio A for Decision 2020.